In front of me is OPPO K13x, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or a video file to text message. Begin by launching Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Now to add already existing audio file, use this plus at the bottom left corner. Hit Files. Tap on Audio at the top or look for your file in one of those apps, or by clicking on those three lines at the top left corner, one of those sources. Either way, when you find it, click on it to attach it. If you want to create one and add it, use this button at the bottom right corner. Operate all of those buttons. And when you finished, hit Attach. If you want to add video to your message, hit this icon of a camera and the photo, also at the bottom right corner. To take a video and add it, hit Video here. Switch your camera to the one you wish to use and record it. Then use blue button to send it. To add already existing video, click on the same icon. Tap on it here. Or if you can't find it, scroll all the way down and hit Folders at the bottom left corner. Then look for your video here and tap on it to attach it. Then hit Add at the bottom right corner and use the same blue button to say Send it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!